Hi, in this video I will show you how to add credit or the debit card on the Amazon. So process is pretty simple. So first of all you have to open your browser and you have to search for the amazon.com, and after that you have to log into your account. Once you will log into your account, you will see page like this. You have to click on the accounts and the list and go to the accounts from here. Now you will see like this. Now scroll down, and in the ordering and the shopping preference you will see your payments. Simply tap on it, and now you have to scroll down, and here you will see add credit or the debit card option. Click on it, and here you have to enter your card number and then name on the card, and after that you have to select the expiration date. Select it and click on the add your card. So once you will do it, your card will be add on the Amazon. So in this way you can add credit or the debit card on the Amazon. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.